Hello guys, here is a website that I'm trying to replicate, and what I want to show you is that okay, I want to do the same kind of website but with WordPress. As you can see in the home page, it will be a big image that will just be there, and then a button on the top right to start. Okay, or this button can be at the bottom right, but when you will user will go here in the in the first page, there will be a holder here for the video, and then the user will be able, the user, as you can see, user cannot go to these other pages without login. So if you try to click on another page, you need to log in to access those pages. But here, if we start here, I can access this page without being logged. Then I can move to the next page, and then I can move to the next page, and I can move to the next page, etc., etc. But and when I reach a given space, I will need to either click here to create an account, or if I have already created an account, I can just click here, and then I can log in. And once I've logged in, actually I can get any information I want. If you, as you can see, if I click here, you see I can access this page now. I can access any page I want once I'm logged in. So this is what I want to do. I already have the membership plugins to block some pages, but what I want to have is I want someone who will be able to create this kind of menu with a main menu and a sub menu that is viewable by the user. Either here, this is, by the way, this is, I think, the best position, and I want this navigations button to be more prominent. But this is basically all what I need. So thank you, and I will need to be able to replicate this site really quickly. And for this I'm planning to use a plugin called Optimize Press, and also for making the page that are not accessible when logged in. But what I want actually from you is that this plugin, the plugin called Optimize Press, that you will be able to see and that you can find on internet by typing Optimize Press, is that when you reach to some point, the systems can require you to fill some form. So I want those forms to be able to to be able to record user data, and to be able to retrieve them to him if required. So like this form, I have to fill it before moving forward. As you can see, there is a warning button that requires me to fill the form first. So please, can you take a look at it and implement it? Because all these forms actually is something that is something that at the end of the process I have the ability, I can fill it, and then I can type something here. Let me take okay, so I can enter something here, and then I can move forward, because I have the other form that is here where I can, this data I had filled it the first time I went on this site, so the system can retrieve the answer I set here. So this is really what I want, and then I can continue move forward. And actually this is this is other information. And when I reach to the last page, as you can see, I can retrieve all the content of all the content that I have filled in all the form. So let us see. The page is loading. Okay, so here these are the answers that I gave the first time I reached on this website, so I can modify it if I need. But the system has retrieved the data that I have first entered here. I can click here to see the whole form that I have filled, and the whole answer, all the answers that I have submitted to this system. So I can view all this data, and then the form is submitted. So this is the real actually the website with the registration, etc. This is the Optimize Press plugin, which is a membership plugin, can handle it. But what I cannot, I'm not, I don't, I want you to do is to make it possible for this plugin to retrieve the data from the form that have been previously filled by a specific user, to retrieve them if the user come again on the site. So please tell me if you can do it, and how many times it will require for you, knowing that I want to be able to replicate this site really quickly and just change the header and a couple of stuffs and change the URL to use it for another purposes. Thank you very much.